Hi, my name is Vishnu, Juvadi.
My name is Ronith, Gungurthi.
My name is Zhang.
My name is Rushil, Randhar.
My name is Ananth, Vivekanand.
And we are presenting ADORI. From climate change to deforestation, human effects on the earth have led to a cascade of catastrophes. Perhaps one of the most significant is the crisis brewing in the oceans from plastic pollution. According to the peer-reviewed journal Science Advances, 91% of all plastic is not recycled, leaving the majority of plastic to ultimately end up in the oceans. We have fixed this problem by creating a product that targets the issue at its source.
ADORI, employing a complex deep learning algorithm, is used by consumers to determine if an object can be recycled. This seamless integration into everyday life allows us to target the issue at its source by stopping contamination before it ever occurs, alleviating the strain on waste management facilities. Our product will then allow recycling to become profitable for cities and reduce the number of recyclable materials being thrown into landfills. ADORI will be implemented in public areas as well as households to reduce contamination of recycled materials to a point where recycling would become both beneficial economically and environmentally.
Now let's quickly get into how ADORI actually works. We use a deep learning model focused on image classification, object detection, edge inferencing, parallel computing, and software optimization in order to ensure that ADORI will not be bottlenecked and will be able to function at maximum efficiency.
Here's an image of the prototype that we have built for the ADORI device, along with the app UI which we have also designed for the ADORI application. In addition, to illustrate how the ADORI device functions, now playing is a small video segment detailing how the product actually works. As you can see, the device can easily and quickly detect whether or not an object is recyclable.
ADORI can be powered on for long periods of time and can be powered by multiple power sources for different scenarios. ADORI can be powered either by an electrical outlet or a rechargeable battery pack. Next, the use of the Raspberry Pi allows for decreased costs and therefore increased profits. The use of the Raspberry Pi also adds to the convenience of the product as it is lightweight and easily movable.
Additionally, our LED lights are unique to our product as they can help play a pivotal role in guiding the users to properly dispose of their garbage. On top of this, since our product is connected to the internet, it will regularly receive software updates and continue to learn with more items being scanned by the camera. Just to clarify, our product will still work offline as information from the cloud isn't compulsory to function.
These unique features and elements provided by ADORI allows us to further enlighten, educate, and engage our consumers. We first want to enlighten the consumers by using facts to appeal to them. We then want to educate the consumers on the specific steps that they need to take in order for them to help contribute to solving the issue. We then want to engage the consumers in order for them to follow through on the steps that we have introduced to them.
Experts everywhere have been exhilarated by how well made our device and application is. Some of their praise sheds light on how inexpensive our product is while maintaining quality. Furthermore, environmental professionals are saying that this product will play a key role in lessening the amount of plastic in the ocean if implemented in the market.
After an extensive analysis of the blue ocean and red ocean markets, we can clearly understand how ADORI compares to its competitors across the recycling industry. ADORI is built for success as it can stay up to date, provide a seamless user experience, all while staying cheap.
While the current industry focus is to target waste management facilities, by targeting the point of disposal, we distribute costs and risk among many different consumers rather than just one. In terms of installation, it is much simpler to target the consumer as it is just delivery or download. On top of this, making ADORI easy to maintain while keeping a fun and interactive experience for the consumer allows for increased usage.
ADORI has another step-by-step strategy to become successful within the market. We aim to eliminate the contamination between plastic and trash, raise a sustainable ecosystem, reduce the amount of plastic waste all across the world, as well as create an effortless way to recycle.
With this in mind, ADORI plans to target the government so we can strategically place our product at public points of interest. Moreover, with the use of government contracts, we can also target the average person or residents, increasing the efficiency of waste management plans.
All things considered, the total cost of our product comes out to be $66.38. We worked hard to make the cost of the materials as cheap as possible so we can maintain high profit margins while being able to manufacture many units at a relatively cheap price. In terms of funding, our main source of funding is from the Environmental Protection Agency, as they offer $4 billion in grants every year to organizations.
Our financial outlook has been projected in two phases, end of year 1 and until year 6. The first phase is the beta phase, where we will roll out our product to 5 beta partners. The second phase is the mass rollout phase, where we will increase our customer base exponentially year over year while keeping our costs down. This will allow the company to grow profits exponentially.
We sincerely acknowledge and appreciate you for allowing us to convey to you our presentation even in these difficult times. We look forward to hearing from you in the near future regarding our business. Thank you.